Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will compare N8N and LANGFLOW. N8N and LANGFLOW are both no-code or low-code platforms designed to simplify complex workflows, but they serve different purposes. N8N is a powerful automation tool that lets you connect different apps and services without needing to write much code. It has a simple visual interface where you drag and drop nodes to create workflows. You can automate tasks like sending emails, moving files, updating databases, or connecting with APIs. It's open source, so you can host it yourself and customize it fully. N8N supports hundreds of integrations, making it flexible for many use cases. Whether you're a developer or a non-technical user, it's easy to start building useful automations. LANGFLOW is a visual tool that helps you build AI workflows using large language models like ChatGPT. It uses a simple drag and drop interface, so you can connect prompts, tools, and memory without writing code. It's great for designing and test how your AI apps should respond or behave. LANGFLOW is built around LangChain, so it's bring powerful features like retrieves, agents, and chains to an easy-to-use format. You can quickly see how different parts of your AI flow work together. It's perfect for developers, researchers, or anyone exploring LLMs without deep coding skills. Overall, N8N is better for general automation across apps, while LANGFLOW is better for building AI workflows using language models. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.